Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe we have Oriental noodles with mussels. All ingredients below in my info box. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You're gonna need the mussels, rice noodles, soy sauce, sesame oil, baby bok choy, or any oriental vegetable. Here I have my table, a knife, and my little garbage bag. Thanks, buy a bag. And I already washed my 3 baby bok choy. And I'm going to remove all leaves and put them aside for a while. Sorry, but I forgot to mention you are gonna need fresh garlic and ginger. So now I'm going to peel the garlic and chop it in the same way the ginger. Right here I have a boiling water where we are going to add the rice noodles and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. In a saucepan we are going to be adding vegetable oil, sesame oil, garlic and ginger, and then we're gonna be adding the baby bok choy. Now I'm adding 3 or 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and finally the mussels. Now let's cook until the vegetables are cooked and it will be juicy. Now we are going to place the vegetables and mussels on the rice noodles. Right here I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and I will add 3 or 4 tablespoons of water. Stir well, and you have to add this mixture to the juice. Stir well until the juice will be thick. And now we're gonna add the thick mixture on the vegetables, mussels, and noodles. Stir well. And this is the final result. Guys, I hope you liked this video. Give me thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this recipe with your friends and family. And I have some food to share with my pup. Her name is Candy. She's my coton de Tulliar and she's my partner in crime every Wednesdays with my recipes. But she has her own videos every Saturday. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.